Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 channel, the home of educational and positive videos. Wow, this is my first video for the year 2025. Thank you 2024 and welcome 2025. I'd like to make this video because I'd like to say thank you very much, of course, to the technical working group who helped Sunrise 75 channel in the third gift giving activity. And of course, sa Lakbay Siyensya, mga teachers natin sa Marikina, of course led by their founding president, Ma'am Jessica Mateo. Of course, si Ma'am Vilma Camba, yung ating president sa elementary level ng science, at saka yung ating president sa secondary level, Ma'am Catherine Balanga. Wow, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Siyempre kasama sa Sir Jemuel. Thank you very much for helping us and for making the third gift-giving activity last December 28, 2024 a success. Siyempre, nais ko rin magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors na ayaw na nilang ipabanggit yung mga pangalan. But of course, to other sponsors who helped us in cash or in kind, thank you very much. Marami po kayong natulungan last December 28, 2024. At hindi lang last December 28 because even before that, may mga gift-giving activity na po tayong ginawa dito sa Central 1, sa May Kalakad, at saka sa Buyag. Ayan. At yung mga taga-painuman na umakyat pa sa atin dito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors. Disclaimer lang, ang activity na ito hindi namin ginagawa para sabihin sa inyo na may ginagawa kaming gift giving, but rather we are telling you that if you want to be part and to join in this mission, you are all welcome because we usually do this one last Saturday of the year. Ayan, so we would like to invite you to join us in the future mission activities. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang laki o dami ang ating ipamimigay. Ang importante na sa gitna ng kasimplihan ng buhay ay pwede tayong magbahagi ng kung anong meron tayo para din sa iba. Sabi nga, whatever we do to the least of our brothers and sisters, we do it to the Lord. Wow! At syempre gusto nating pasalamatan ang iba pang mga collaborators. We have Jesus Center of Worship with Pastor Cheryl. We have also Central Uno Inarawan Homeowners Association with President Toti Paclebare and the other officers. We also have the chairperson of Central 1, Chairperson Edith Provido. And meron pa ba? Siyempre yung Barangay Council ng Inarawan, led by the Honorable Barangay Captain James Roderick Rick Bautista and the other members of the council. Thank you very much for always helping us. At sa susunod pong taon, you are very much welcome to join us, be part. Thank you also Sir Marvin. Ayan, thank you for joining us at sa kasama mo. Sa lahat ng mga dumalo, sa lahat ng mga pumunta, maraming salamat. We have 2 batches, one for children and the other one ay para sa mga magulang. To all of you, to the members of the technical working group, to the teachers of Marikina, Lakbay Siyensya, maraming salamat po sa inyong tulong. At hanggang sa susunod na ating gift-giving activity, the 4th gift-giving activity, this coming 2025. In advance, thank you very much to all those sponsors, those who will pledge, and those who will join in the 4th gift-giving activity for 2025. Once again, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 channel saying thank you very much and see you in the last Saturday of 2025.